Hello and welcome to the RAF Alamein Road Air Show of 2025. Of course, this year marks the 80th anniversary of the end of World War II, victory in Europe and victory in the Far East. A moment to be celebrated, of course, and a moment to mourn as well. To this end, ladies and gentlemen, we have a lineup representing as many Allied air forces as we could muster. Nations whose valiance and courage deserve our respect. Fighters of every size and strength are here, with biplanes, Allied exports, and a few oddballs. But each one's worthy of its place in history, along with their respective nations' pilots. Our tributes continue with the single biggest lineup of Spitfires we've ever assembled here at RAF Alamein Road, with 19 Spitfires and 2 Seafires lined up as a salute to the veterans of the RAF, along with the usual multitude of beautiful and unusual aircraft, including 4 jets of the Swedish Air Force Historic Flight, a squadron of Bomber Command aircraft, almost every generation of Harrier, trainer aircraft that educated so many, even the world's first hovercraft. And for the second year in a row, I'm proud to say the Ukrainian Air Force Sukhoi 17 commemorative jet. However, I would say that the central highlight this year is Hawker Hurricane Mark 1 P3966, the personal mount of the great Paddy Hemingway, the last of the few who died earlier this year at the age of 105. To this end, ladies and gentlemen, I won't be giving the usual speeches about the history of these great machines, but a silent tribute to a generation that gave their all. To those who returned and gave us your stories, we thank you. And to those who never returned,